Welcome to third AV. Okay, we come up to this tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Tense pattern in active voice. Yes plus has have plus been plus V1 plus ing plus O plus for since period of time. That means action is happening. It is nothing but perfect continuous tense. चालू पूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. There is no passive voice construction in present perfect continuous tense. Only example is given here. Example, in AV, they have been living in Nanded since 1990. They have been living in Nanded since 1990. They is subject, living V1 plus ing, and object is Nanded. Okay, we turn to next topic. Past perfect continuous tense. Tense pattern in active voice. Yes plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing plus O plus for or since period of time. There is also no passive voice in past perfect continuous tense. Example, I had been doing this job since 10 years. Okay, we turn to next. In future perfect continuous tense, according to the traditional grammar rules, the future perfect continuous tense is not used in the passive voice form. Tense pattern in active voice. Yes plus shall will plus have plus been plus V1 plus ing plus O plus for since period of time. There is no passive voice construction in future perfect continuous tense. Only example is given here, and example is you will have been working on the course material for 2 hours by 6 in the evening. You will have been working on the course material for 2 hours by 6 in the evening. Now we turn to next. Voice of modal auxiliary verb. In what way changes are there? The modal auxiliary or helping verbs in passive voice form take be. Example, you will give he will give a book, active voice. Now this sentence turns into passive voice in this way. You will be given a book by him. You will be given a book by him. That means use of be is there. Be. Look here. Be. Second sentence, they can pick a number, active voice. A number can be picked by them, passive voice. Third sentence, we must finish this job, active voice. This job must be finished by us, passive voice. That means by using be in passive voice, you can turn the sentence into passive voice. Turn to next now. Voice with two objects. When there are two objects of the verb in the active voice, we can change that active voice into passive in two ways, using the first object in one sentence and the second object in the other. For example, the teacher teaches you a lesson. Now look here. Here two objects are there. The teacher teaches you is one object, O1, and a lesson, this is another object, O2. O1, O2. Okay, now first of all we take O1 and make passive voice sentence. You are taught a lesson by the teacher. You are taught a lesson by the teacher. And by using O2, sentence is in this way. A lesson is taught to you by the teacher. That means maybe there are two objects, and by using one by one object you can make sentence into passive voice. Now turn to next. Voice with omission of object. In some of the sentences, the object of the verb is omitted because attention is not paid to the fact who does the action, but to the action itself. In such cases, the agent of the action is either a well-known person or unidentified. It is therefore not necessary for us to mention the agent of the action. That means in some cases objects are assumed. Okay, now here also the thief is arrested, but in bracket object is given. The thief is arrested by the police. The window was broken. Here also, in bracket, object is given by somebody. This is objective part, that means object part, and that part is hidden part. This part is hidden. He was elected as president by whom? By them. That means in some of the sentences the object of the verb is omitted or hidden because attention is not paid to the fact. So voice with omission of object. There may be omission of the object also. Now we turn to voice of imperative sentences. Various ideas like command, orders, request may be expressed in passive voice by using you are requested, beg, you are requested, you are ordered, you are commanded, you are told, you are advised plus to plus verb pattern. That means when you turn the sentence of imperative sentence into passive voice, you can follow such kind of rules. For example, please post this letter. Here we can start the sentence in this way. You are requested to post this letter. That means here this part is used and to plus verb pattern. You are requested to post this letter. Second, give me a glass of water. Active voice. You are ordered to give a glass of water. Apply for leave. You are advised to apply for leave. Okay, in this way we have completed our topic of change the voice. Okay, thanks. We meet with another video, another AV with next grammar topic. Up to that, thank and goodbye.